Now we're going to look at a 4-mark question about the circular flow of income. And it says, explain the likely effects on the circular flow of income of the changes in unemployment between 2013 and 2015. And they've given us a chart to show us about the rate of unemployment over that period of time. So if we turn over here, looking from 2013 to 2015 is this blue section here. The whole of the chart is showing the percentage of all economically active people. If you're economically active, you are willing and able to work. And this is showing the UK unemployment rate. So it's saying what percentage of people who are willing and able to work don't have a job. And you can see that the percentage of people willing and able to work who don't have a job has gone down over this period. So unemployment has gone down. That's what is the basis for our answer to the question. So we know that over this period of time, unemployment has gone down. Then we need to look at what the effects are, and it's got to be plural, you need to talk about more than one, of this change in unemployment. So what are the consequences of this change in unemployment on the circular flow of income? In brief, when you have the circular flow of income, you are looking at the factors of production flowing from households to firms, and then in response, the firms produce goods and services for households. And when the households supply the factors of production to the firms, they have to give them money back in return. And when the firms then supply the goods and services to the households have to give money back to the firms. And essentially we have money flowing round and round like this, round the circular flow of income. Remember also that we have 3, remember 3 is the magic number here, of these on either side. These 3 are the injections, and these 3 are the leakages or withdrawals. Over on the injections, the money that you can have coming in, you can have investment coming in, you can have government spending coming in, or when you export something, money will come in. The leakages, when we import something, then money leaks out of the country because we have to pay that other country for it. When we save money, the money leaks out of the circular flow. And also when we're taxed, money comes out of the circular flow. So going back to the question, they want to know if unemployment goes down, how is this affected? So some of the things that will be affected here are if unemployment goes down, then it's likely because incomes are going up, then consumption will go up. If consumption goes up, firms are more likely to invest as well because they'll be making more revenue, more profit, and they'll have more business confidence that it's worth their while investing in more capital. Also, if we have more consumption, it's likely that we're going to be importing more. So if we apply all of this to the circular flow of income, we can see some of the things we could talk about. We could say that investment will go up. We could also say that the amount that we are importing will go up. Over here, if investment goes up, we can say that there'll be more injections into the circular flow, and therefore there'll be more money flowing around in the circular flow of income. If we say that imports go up, we'll say that there are more leakages, and that would cause money to be flowing out of the circular flow of income and less money to be flowing around in the circular flow. Some of the other things that you could talk about, you could say, for example, here, that government spending, you could say it will go down because less people will be on job seekers allowance. That's an automatic stabiliser. Or you could say that because tax revenues will go up, the government may choose to spend more of that money in the economy. So this could go up. So you could have an injection. So that one is a sort of moot point. Over here, savings, you could say that as people become more confident that they have a job, they may start saving less because they know that they have income coming in, or you could argue that actually if they have an income, they have a bit of money that they can now save. You can argue that either way. So that you get your 4 marks, you need to make sure that you're talking about injections and or leakages. you need to make reference to the fact that the unemployment went down, and then the rest of your marks are explaining how this fall in unemployment causes there to be changes within the circular flow of income.